Hello and welcome to the first in a new series looking at a new radio. For those of you that have been in the hobby for a while or been watching YouTube and reading on the forums, you'll know what this is. And I finally got mine. So I actually ordered mine from Banggood.com, and in a way I was kind of lucky I didn't manage to get my hands on one when they first shipped, because it appeared there were a couple of little problems, and I'm hoping that the delay and the fact that they've now come back into stock means that this is actually part of the second batch, which means that a couple of things have been sorted out. Now, normally the way I do these kind of video series, and for those of you that have looked at the channel for a long time, you'll know that I tend to spend a lot of time talking about radios, particularly things like Taranis and OpenTX, and actually talking about how you set them up and what all the menus do and all that kind of goodness. But what I want to do is, one, let you know that this is here, but also to ask you, my viewers, subscribers and Patreons, to let me know what you want me to show on this radio. Now again, lots of other people have already had this radio for a lot longer. I think it was the first batch, so I'm interested to see what you guys and girls actually want me to do with it. Now it does feel to me like the catches for the battery compartments are an awful lot more secure, so I'm not sure they're going to twist off by accident as you're flying around. So you know what, I think this might actually be part of the second wave, which is brilliant. By default it's coming with both of the sticks sprung, but that can all be taken care of with a couple of screws at the back. We have the 2 3-position switches in the corners, 2 really little dinky switches, 2 2-position switches and 2 sliders. We have the external connector for an antenna, and underneath is an RPSMA connector. At the bottom we've got the SD card, USB connector, the connector out if you're going to flash receivers, and also the 3.5mm jack as well. So let me know what you want me to show on this radio. Pop comment down below and I'll start the series and go through everything. But I'm really interested in this particular radio because, along with some of the really small quadcopters that I've looked at recently, things like the fantastic Emax Babyhawk 3-inch, with a little dinky radio like this, it's going to make it very, very transportable. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.